Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Olivia Gavina, 38 years old, married with 3 children. I am the youngest of the family. I have 7 brothers and 4 sisters. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for more than 5 years. My first employer, 1 couple and 2 children. Second employer, 1 couple, 1 child with grandma and grandpa. My daily duties is to clean the house, cooking, marketing, laundry, ironing, and take care a newborn until grow up. I'm bathing them, feeding, playing, and treat as my own child. Ma'am, Sir, I'm a trustworthy, loyal, kind, and patient. If you hire me, Ma'am and Sir, I work in your family in a long term. Thank you and God bless.